Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily use Zoho Invoice. So let's get started. First, let's press on Access Zoho Invoice here to create our own account. Here it will ask you about some info like your organization name. Let's name it tutorial, industry. Let's choose it engineering, organization location, USA, state. Let's select New York, currency USD, language English, time zone. And here it will ask you about some info about your tax. You can say yes or no based on your location. And now let's get started. Here you can see your dashboard, your home, customers, items, codes, invoices, payments received, expenses, time tracking, reports. In this tutorial, we will aim to create three things. The first one is customers, then items, then invoices. So let's head to customers and create our first one. Now we will have to insert some info like customer type. Let's select it business, Mr. Bruce Wayne, like the Bruce Wayne from The Dark Knight Rises. And now let's choose the company name, tutorial, Mr. Bruce Wayne. And you can use these, fill these cells or not based on the info that you have on your customer. Here I will just fill the important details for the sake of the time of this tutorial. So you can also fill the other details here. You can fill address data, you can fill contact persons, you can fill custom fields and remarks. Now let's save for now. And here we got our first customer. So here you can see all the data which is related to him. You can also insert comments, transactions, mails, and statement. Now let's move to items and create our first item from new. Here you can choose whether it's goods or service. Let's choose service. And name of the service, let's choose maybe YouTube tutorials, unit, in piece, price per video is, for example, $10, and you can fill the description or you can just save. And here is your first item. Now let's move to the invoices and create our first one. So let's press on new invoice. Here it will ask you some questions like, do you give discounts? I don't give the discounts, and other info that you can fill like additional charges and so on and so forth. Let's press on save and continue. Now you can fill the customer name which is related to this data. So you will choose, let's name the invoice 1. Customer name is Mr. Bruce Wayne. Yes, I want to use invoice 1. You can select the order number. Let's choose 100 video, for example. You can choose invoice date, terms, due date, salesperson, subject. You can fill all these info. You can also add rows here. You can insert customer notes. You can insert shipping charges. You can insert terms and conditions. And you can insert all these information. So let's press on save and send. Here it will ask you to enter valid item name or description. Let's see where the problem is. The problem is that I did not add an item, so let's add YouTube tutorials. And let's select the quantity, let's say 100 video, and the rate is 10 per video, so you will get $1,000. Now let's press on save and send. So the invoice have been saved successfully, and here you can see how it look like. So you can press on view invoice. From here. So let's copy this link. And paste it. So it shows nothing. That's because we did not publish our invoice. So let's return back and scroll down, then select send. It will, it needs a recipient name. So let's choose an account. No, sorry, let's place it here. Let's just refuse this and place it here. Okay, we need to add contact person first from here. Now let's add this mail. Yeah, this one. And save and select. Then let's send. And here we are. So here you can see your invoice and how it look like. This is how it look like. So you can clone it, you can delete it, it's up to you. You can also select print here to see it better. Let's select PDF. Now let's open it. This is how it looked like. So you have successfully created your own first invoice using Zoho Invoice. You can also customize your invoice by navigating to the top right, pressing on customize. You can change template, you can edit your template, you can update your logo and address. Let's press on this and try it. Let's upload a logo. I think this is the one I want. Yes, indeed. Now let's save. And voila. You can also edit your invoice from here. You can send mail, you can share, you can set a reminder. You have multiple options here by which you can control and manipulate your invoice. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.